What's going on, y'all? SCS, you know. Hey, I'm about to try to get some footage for y'all. Gonna do the switcheroo. The wheels on the Donk. I'm going to silver shit. I got a feeling that's gonna be fire, boy. I posted a little pic. But I'm just trying to make content. Work on my own stuff a little bit, but still I gotta do the shop stuff. It's supposed to rain next 15 minutes or so. So I need to make this quick. Oh, I can't wait till this garage and know it. Boy, it's gonna be so nice. Alright, so with that comment, paid for a paint job, and I wasn't satisfied. I'm picky, but I ain't picky. And what I mean when I say that is, I expect to get what I paid for. I didn't pay $2,500. And that's like a $2,500 paint job on it. At the time, this is not really COVID prices, but it happened right after COVID, before everything started on COVID prices. I just expect what I paid for, what I spent my money for. If it was a $2,500 paint job, hey, I probably would have been driving a car. But I paid more because I wanted a little more. I didn't expect a $10,000 paint job, but I didn't expect no $2,500 paint job. Those who spend money know what I'm saying. Not the DIY people. If I wanted to DIY it, I would have DIY it. I didn't want to DIY it. I wanted a nice professional paint job. I got less than that, so yeah. That's why the car still sitting. But I got something coming, man. Got something coming for y'all. I got a plan. As long as everything work out, it's gonna be alright. I'm trying to. Oh, they going on. Going on. They going on. I wonder how these dump wheels fit on the box Chevy. 5x5 conversion, a long time ago. Front and back. I wanted to be able to switch my rotate my tires. But yeah, my bro box Chevy were the one that told me to do this for y'all. So I was like, damn, that don't sound like any bad content. Oh my God, damn, it look good. I ain't even on cap. And it just started raining. Let me try to get the other wheel on real quick and get some pictures. This wheel is tight, got some dirt on it, so try to clean it up real quick. Hope y'all get stormed on. No promos or nothing, but I'm telling y'all, this right here is some good stuff. It cleaned my dually tires. I ain't never cleaned that truck, the tires, wheels, or nothing a day in my life. And it cleaned all the dirt off my tires. I was like, geez, I ain't never seen nothing work this good. And like I say, I ain't promoting them. But if something good, I ain't gonna even allow them to tell y'all. Cause I don't want people wasting money like I do. One thing I don't do though is find part numbers of stuff I bought years ago. A lot of you, what's the part number? What's the part number? I bought that shit so long ago, I don't know. You just don't want to tell me. Well, I do not know this part number. Let's clean this dirt off here. I say, I ain't promoting these products. But look at that. I already see what it's doing. Some people tell y'all, oh, done soap. That's my favorite. And then it don't do this. I ain't gonna need caps, y'all. Y'all see what it's looking like. Wait till I rinse it off. Hold on. Give me a sec. Let me finish cleaning. Look at that. Coming right up. It's the only 3-piece wheel I still got on this car. Said that in the last video, but everybody don't watch every video. All the rest chrome on the backside. But make me no difference as long as it hold F. So I'm gonna rinse the front and then put it on. Tighten wheels up. That motherfucker look good. You like that truck? That's the first thing pop in my mind, and it's raining. Let me get all my tools and stuff. This can actually go under the hood. This needs to go back in the shop. That thing do look good though. Definitely look good. I'm about to go in the shop. Get some stuff done. Where this thing go? Yeah. Hey, they looking good. For real. For real, for real. Ow. Hey. I like that because they really master the interior for those who ain't seen. And for those who ain't seen, I'm finna drop a picture so y'all can see the interior. But it just gave me an idea of what I'm gonna do when I get my rims. So my real rims, I got the 28 that look like ballers, and it's a 5-inch lip, so it's a lot of space back here. This the e-brake stuff, which gonna come off. It's a lot of space back here. So I'm trying to see. It just gave me some ideas, man, of what I can do. 2 of my subs here. Waiting on one more. A Triumph 5K on the base. Nice battery system. Y'all see, I'm gonna go get my blower to blow these leaves for this picture. And I gotta make a reel. I'm on my J Malcolm stuff right now. You know, I'm finna hook this system up in a bird today. And my daughter got a parade in like 2 hours. When I this finna work with the rain, I need to check the schedule. But let me get this blower real quick. Running too now.